and thank you all for having me. I'm here, and I'm super excited to tell you about how we in Evyon work to maximize the value of every battery. My name is Jørgen Erdal. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Evyon, and I'm going to tell you about today how we can meet the soaring demand for energy storage that we have heard about earlier today. Bloomberg estimating 170 times growth in installed capacity of energy storage over the 2 coming decades with what we see here. Because of the electrification of the transport sector, an ever-increasing volume of batteries will also hit the bin, as you see in this slide, where McKinsey have estimated the volumes to reach more than 200 gigawatt hours a year in 2030. That's the equivalent of 3 million vehicles being discarded every year worth of batteries that could be reused. And that's only personal vehicles. So if you also think about commercial vehicles, buses, trucks, marine applications, the numbers are many, many times larger. And the real problem with that is that at least 1 out of 3 of them are fully functional, with more than 80% remaining capacity. That means that they can live on for more than 10 years in a second life application if you know how to efficiently and accurately identify them and efficiently convert them into a second life energy storage system to put it back into the market. And this is what we in Evyon are developing. By combining cutting-edge battery intelligence to identify batteries and manage and maximize their lifetime in second life, with the industrialization of repurposing, we aim to make second life not only environmentally sustainable, but also financially sustainable and realize our mission of maximizing the value of every battery. It looks like this. It's a combined hardware and software platform that we are developing. The cloud solution is where we are developing the intelligence around our systems. So all our systems are online connected so that we can learn from every installation and get ever smarter from every system we put in the market. The intelligent battery control unit is our bridge to the cloud. It's what manages every battery on a daily basis, on a millisecond to millisecond basis, but also maximizing the lifetime value by talking to our cloud solution. And with this design, we can quickly adapt to new battery modules. So today we're working with Mercedes-Benz, but in the future, we can source batteries from any OEM, any manufacturer as well, as you see here. And I'm excited to show to you the first product that we are now bringing to market in commercial mass production scale. We call it the Evyon Industrial. It's a commercial and industrial energy storage solution for a range of different applications that I'll touch on, built using Mercedes-Benz battery modules. It has an industry-leading safety with 4 layers of safety, and it's cloud-powered to maximize the total lifetime value of the battery. So not just only in year 1, 2, and 3, but really all the way through 10 years and more. And I want to double-click a bit on this because this is really where we believe we can provide higher quality, longer living systems and safer systems to our customers. By combining the data from all our online connected systems with the data from our battery intelligence center, where we can degrade our batteries and develop our own algorithms, with our own battery intelligence team, combining all of this data into the cloud so that we can provide higher safety, higher performing, and longer living battery systems for our customers. And as I said, our product scales to any application. It's modular by design to meet any needs in charging infrastructure. We have heard many presenters on the stage talk about the aging grid infrastructure that needs to be supported to supply charging. Commercial real estate, we also heard a lot about. Farms, construction site charging, festivals, events, the amount of energy and power we'll need. Our Evyon Industrial is designed for this. And this is not only a dream. We have supplied systems in Norway, Sweden, Germany. We also signed contracts for Bulgaria, France, and by the end of the year, we will have at least 3 more countries to that list, with more than 200 megawatt hours of follow-on potential this and next year. So I want to leave you with 2 messages. First, if there's anyone looking into energy storage, please come talk to me. Our product is ready for deliveries and in the European market this summer. And for any investors, I'm happy to take intro calls for our 10 to 15 million euro Series A that we plan to close in a year from now. So thank you all for listening, and I look forward to talking to you soon.